Hey guys, COVID beard trimmed, COVID hair trimmed, looking really good these days. So, anyways, car or truck hack number 2, LEDs in your dome and your map lights and your mirror lights. Just saying, most manufacturers put in a cheesy little bulb. You got to find the perfect LED for each location in the cab of your truck. LEDs are the way to go. I'm going to show you a picture of what mine looked like before and after. Amazing difference. Amazing difference. You got to put in LEDs where the factory puts in those cheesy lamps. I think some of them are halogen, but they are cheesy lamps. So look at the pictures. I'll put a link to all the Tacoma lights that I use for my Tacoma below. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. I know these are short and sweet, but it's just car tips and hacks. As you can see, on the left side, the LED is much brighter than the non-LED or halogen bulb on the right-hand side. Right-hand side's kind of got an orangey tint to it, where the LED on the left is a bright white. The cool thing about the LEDs, you can get those in reds, blues, greens, yellows. So if you want a red dome light, you can get a red LED dome light. And then for your vanity mirrors right here, you can get a white or a yellow or a green or a blue. Pretty cool. Same with your map lights that are right there by your mirror. Same thing. So definitely check these out. Google them. You can find them for pretty much any vehicle on Amazon and other places.